Hello everyone, this is Frequency Network Trading. In this video, I want to teach you how that I made this profit that is running currently and how it's going to go in the next few minutes and just few analysis to preach about in this little video. Probably we're not gonna call it a short video, but it's gonna be for a while. But yes, it's been a while since we've been away, but we're coming back to YouTube and we're coming with big, trade ability. We're coming with more analyzed predictability power. We're coming with great activities to get ourselves done with. So in this video, what we want to be doing is just looking out the chart and then just analyzing what we did. Say top-down analysis was done here, and because top-down analysis was done, we are going to enter trade, and then we just enter the trade. So with our top-down analysis, we want to explain this trading strategy, how that we enter the trade. We started this analysis from the monthly time frame. After that, we started this from the monthly time frame. We went deeper into the smaller time frame, and therefore, because we went deeper into smaller time frames, we were able to get a trading. We were able to get a trade, and after that, we got a trade. We entered it, and so we are today to do this monthly analysis together. And after that, we do this monthly analysis together. We are going to see why we're going to be trading the market, and because of that reason, we're going to get this thing started. So we start by going to the monthly analysis. As you can see here on my MT5, my MetaTrader 5. This is the monthly time frame, and this is the 25 index. I'm about analyzing here. And so we are going to be doing this analysis. We have three boxes drawn, but I'm just gonna use them rightly, taking them from places to places. How that we did it, how that we got to, the analysis we got it to be. So we got these things from this chart, the monthly time frame, and from the monthly time frame, we did this analysis by drawing from time to time, and then we are going to move it up like this. And after that, we move it up like this. We're going to tell you how this analysis went. But of course, the trade just started playing. We can't really determine the future of this yet until further notices. But for the time, we are here to analyze and tell you the reason we took this trade so that you can know how to do the same. And as you can see it, we are ranging in between loss and profit. The market is, you know, the market is having this range thing. Anytime we trade, it starts off like this. But for just for the moment of time, we know it's going to be better with time. But I just want to take this chart. I want to make this analysis clear. I will draw this like this so you see how it went. So because we can tell from where we started out, we can see this movement. We draw a box, a slope. We call this one a slope, and with the slope, we are able to tell the market's movement because in the monthly time frame, we saw the market give us a structural movement. After the first structural movement, we went deep into this chart, and then we analyzed this market. But I want to take you to the trading view chart. I want to take you to the trading view chart so you know why we did this one. I want to take you to the trading view chart, but it's actually loading yet. It's in this MetaTrader 5, this MT5 web hangs a lot when we try to analyze from it. So we're going to analyze volatility 25 from the trading view chart. And from the trading view chart, after analyzing it, we are going to do this thing. And so So this is what we say, and we want to take you to the, you know, we are now on the trading view chart. We are on the trading view chart because the trading view chart is where we want to do this from. So when we do this analysis of the trading view chart, I'm just gonna do it from the daily time frame. So you see how it works. So the trading view chart comes here, and the trading view chart comes and all we want to do is zoom in very well. And after we zoom in, we're going to explain how this market has been acting since May 23rd of 2020. So, so this is what we do here. Into trend line, we want to use these long shots and positions to determine our trend. So this is the rectangle. This is the chart, but then yes, we start by just opening it. So when we go like this, we draw this slope. After drawing the slope, we draw another one upward. After drawing another one upward like this, just put it here. It goes this way. And after this, we go this. So for this reason, we are now up here, and so we see the chart is playing games with, we saw this market going upward like this. We drew the trend line, and we saw the market was trending upward. So we had this market movement that was going upward, and because it was going upward, it was, representing something. This M showed out, and it went up again, it went down, it came up, it went down, it went up, came down, and it went up, came down. And this were just some structural movements created by the market. And so it broke this point, and when it broke this point, we saw it was going to go down. So we saw it was going to go down, and because we saw this point, we saw some other charts that were moving, and we saw the other markets movements that were playing out, and we saw it go from here, and we saw it retrace with a weak line that was retraced was a great profitability, and we see this weak line, this weak line here entered here. And so it came down again, and it came up again, and it went down again, and it came up again, and it went down again, and it went up again, and it went down, it came up, it went down, it came up, and it went down. We broke this point, and when we broke this point, we saw it going up. So because it was going up, so far it was going up, and it kept going up, So after it was going up like this, we saw it here in this point. So because it got to this point, we saw the market coming here to this other point. Well, just preaching structure actually, and because we were just trading with structures, and we're heading so because we see this, we just see this structure, market movement. We went up like this, went up like this, went up, so went up. We saw it was just walking around like this. Saw it like, it was just retracing. It went up again, the market went down, came up, came down. We went up again like this, and came down again like this. So from there, we saw it going up again, and that was what influenced us going up on the 24 hours. 24 hours time frame is what told us this is going to happen. And we saw it break, it just break. When it broke, it went up like this. And after that, it went up like that. We drew a resistance line, a resistant line on the top. We drew another resistant line at the bottom. And after that, so the market was just playing around this point, and because the market was playing around this point, it was creating another aim. And after it created this aim, the market broke this point. Okay, so we're gonna clear this up because we just indicated that already. But when we saw the market broke this line, it went down again. And now when the market came up here, it broke this particular point of which it broke before, which is the market structure. And the market structure was formed like this, and it came like this, and it came up, it went down like this, and it went up again, and it came down like this. And so this market structure created another W, and a W represented a upward trend movement. And after that, we saw all of this movement from the 24 hours time frame. I just showed a straight line, so you see it. It was a support and a resistance, and we see this. We get it up like that, like this, and we drew another trend line upwardly where it goes like this one, and this is a support, and this one is a resistance area, and when it's resisted we went up and we went down again. Like it's just going in our position and in our direction. Everybody does not understand why the market is going in our direction, and everybody's just chilling. Okay, we've been trading this for a long time, but now we saw the market is getting is losing momentum. However, but the momentum is getting really shorter, and the momentum was getting shorter, and the momentum is getting shorter. We just tried it upward, and we saw this support line. We saw this structural movement, the green candle up first, and the red candle second. So the second line. So from this point, after that we traded this, we thought it was going to go upward. So it was gonna go up because the green. So it went upward. So after that it went upward like this. We saw it was gonna keep rising. So everywhere the thing went, it's gonna go upward because of structure. Because of the structure. So because of the structure, we saw it going up. But then if we scale down to the lower time frame, like one on the 8 hour, yes, and in the 8 hour time frame, I just looked into the markets and I saw some sort of slope over here, and I saw the market is creating an head and shoulder pattern, an head shoulder pattern. So the 8 hour time frame. So a market that was just creating this head and shoulder pattern, and from the with the head and the shoulder pattern, we want it to go up, but this market is going not going in our direction, and it's going back to 4 hours. When we go to 4 hours, we can see another pattern that was formed, and in the 4 hour time frame, we saw another pattern that got formed like this, and see it clearly here. So, so this is something like this. We go up, we go down, going up like this again. So three candles are like this, like this. So we thought it was gonna go up, but this red candle here does not really represent anything. We are gonna scale down to 1 hour time frame. After scaling down to 1 hour, we saw what the market was doing. The market was basically just doing this thing called, um, structure upon structure. So we went upward, we got down, we went up, got down, on a pattern, and this is something we thought about. M&W pattern. So we got it in the M&W pattern from the M&W pattern. We saw it in the M&W pattern, but then we're just trying to know how we do it. So we're gonna go to the M&W pattern. So when we get to the M&W pattern, well, we can see the market is going in our direction. We sold this market, and of course it is going in our direction. So we got this movement upward, downward, upward, downward, upward, and we believe it's gonna go down further down like this. And our take profit is gonna be at this point. So we're just going to set our take profit in our stop losses. Now, if we entered, we want to check where we entered this market from. We entered this market at we entered the market at 244.8636. 244.84.836. 244.84. We took this from 244.6. 244.6. 116. Let's just approximate it. Total 6186. So our take profit is at this level. So my stop loss is at this point. This is our entry point. So our take profit is going to be 1 is to 10. We're just going to set our take profit. And at this point, we're going to put our stop loss in our entry. When we put our stop loss in our entry, we're going to be sure that we're set for this. And our stop loss is going to be at 244.2445. Our stop loss is going to be at our entry point. When our stop loss is in our entry point, we're gonna just look for the take profit. Come back here and I'll show you what I mean by that. Stop loss at 244.166, and our take profit is at 2441909. 244.106. That's gonna be 1 is to 10 risk to reward ratio. We're just taking small risk to reward profits. But we know it's gonna go into the profit, and that's the most important thing here. And we came to this point where we're trying to show you patterns of these patterns. We showed it to you. If you have been with us for a long period of time, you're gonna understand how all of this thing works. And when you understand how it works, you understand that you can trade it anywhere you are. So just modifying this thing. We're trying to modify it, but it's looking like a very, very, very bad thing now. But we don't know what it looks like. But the market is hanging over here. We're just gonna go ahead and reload this top, and after that we do, while it's reloaded, we are gonna go back to this point where we are still analyzing our market. This is our take profit because after that the market breaks here. The market breaks this point, so it comes to this point, and after it comes to this point, we're gonna be waiting for a take profit of the market's movement. Yeah, we're gonna take our take profit in that movement. So we're just doing what can do so we can be profitable in the future. So we can be profitable in the future. And because we want to be profitable, be sure we can make this money all along the line. Yes, sir. We are in this trade, and it's still ranging. It's a live signal. It's going way up there. This is a live signal. It's a profit at this point. So this is our this is our profit for now, and this is what our profitability is looking at. Like, let's go back into the H1 time frame. Um, I plan to take part of my profit. And, so this is 2,657 profits we're making here, and that is a great deal. Our signals are always profitable whenever we trade signals comes to pass. Very prophetic. In another video, I would be ending this video here, guys. But in another video, I'll be teaching another strategy of we should like to see. So for now, I'll say bye for now. Frequency edit. See you in my next video.